Hey guys, in this video we are going to create an amazing looking landing page with the video background. So without wasting the time, let's get started and go to our code editor. So first of all, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I would recommend you to subscribe to this channel because I will upload daily projects about front-end development and complete website projects with HTML and CSS. So you will get a lot of value from this channel and you will improve your skills by a lot. So without wasting the time, let's get started. So first of all, I will create a boilerplate in my HTML file. So first of all, change the title. Oops, we don't have to do that. First of all, I will change the title to landing page and I will import my style.css file. Let's save this one, and in the body we will have a video. Source will be I have a video, so I will set some of the properties such as autoplay, and the video sound will be muted. So we want to play the video infinite times, so I will set it to loop. So let's save it, and now I will create a container which will contain a heading which will be our channel's name, programming with Arslan. So let's create a button which will say subscribe. Let's save it and open it with the live server. So as you will see, this design is not looking great and we have to style it. So let's go to our style.css. First of all, give a class name to our video which will be bg dash video. Let's save it and go to our style.css. First of all, I will remove the default margin. I will set the margin to 0, padding to 0, and box sizing will be a border box. Let's save it. Now we'll target the body. So for body we have a font family of this one. So let's set the height to 100 viewport height. So let's see how it's looking. Now it's slowly coming into a shape. So we will use, so I think we have to target the bg dash video, which is our class name for a video. So I will set the position to, oops, we will set the position to ABS. Position will be absolute. So I think there is some mistake. We will so target it again. Target the bg dash video. Give it a position of absolute. Set the left to 0. Set the top to 0. Also set object fit is equal to cover. Let's save it and let's see how it's looking. Now it's slowly coming into a shape. So where is our text? So our text I think is behind the video. So we should give it a z index of -1, and now you will see our text in front of it. Yeah, now we have a text here. So give it a color of white. Set the display to flex. Justify content will be center. Align items will also be a center. Let's save it. And now we have a center. We have our heading and button at the center. Now let's target the container. Oops. Now we'll use display flex. Flex direction will be a column. Justify content center. Align items center. Let's see how it's looking. Now it's looking good. So what we have to do is to target the H1. Give it a font size of 60 pixel. Font weight of 800. We'll give it a margin bottom of 4 and let's see how it's looking. Now it's looking good. We want to style the button, so the button styling will be, I will give it a padding of 14 pixels from top and bottom and 34 pixels from left and right. So it's looking good. Just change the background color to red. Color will be white. I will set the font size of 1.25 rem and font weight will be a 500. I think 500 will look good. Now you'll see it's looking good, but we have a default border, so we should remove a default border. So border will be none. Oops, we don't want that value. Border will be none. Outline will be none. Let's save it. Cursor will be a pointer. Now you will see we have a beautiful looking button and heading. We just want to fix our video, as our video is not looking good. So in where is video? So here we will give it some of the properties such as width will be 100%. Let's oops, not this one. Let's save it. And now you will see we don't have overflow from left to right, but we have to fix the height. So set the height to 100%. Let's save it. And now you will see we have a beautiful looking background video with the heading and a call to action button. So this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you have learned something from this video. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I would recommend you to subscribe to this channel, because you will get a lot of value and information about front-end development from this channel, because usually I upload daily project videos about front-end development with projects of JavaScript and complete projects and complete websites which are built with HTML and CSS. So have a nice day, because this is the end of the tutorial. I hope you have enjoyed the video. So tell me in the comments what type of video you want in the next project.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's